Did you know that weapon technology has advanced more in the last decade than the previous 50 years combined? This rapid evolution is reshaping defense strategies worldwide, demanding a fresh approach to modern military operations. Stay with us as we delve into these groundbreaking changes. As weapon technology evolves, it revolutionizes defense strategies and plays a critical role in global security. This revolution redefines our perception of defense and ensures a safer world. Let's explore its pivotal impact on today's defense landscape. In the ever-evolving landscape of global security, traditional defense systems face unprecedented challenges. Technological advancements have exposed vulnerabilities once thought secure. Emerging threats, from sophisticated cyber attacks to autonomous drones, challenge the core of conventional defense mechanisms, reminding us that outdated methods could have dire consequences. The need for innovation in defense has never been more urgent. As adversaries employ new tactics and technologies, our strategies must evolve in tandem. This isn't merely a call for better equipment, but a fundamental shift in our defense approach. Military operations today demand agility and foresight that only cutting-edge weapon technologies provide. From AI-driven systems to advanced cyber warfare capabilities, these innovations are necessities. Join us as we uncover how these technologies reshape defense strategies worldwide, playing a critical role in safeguarding our future. In today's rapidly evolving world, traditional defense systems are outpaced by emerging threats. Enter advanced technologies like drones, AI-driven systems, and cyber warfare. These innovations don't just reshape defense strategies, they revolutionize them. Drones offer real-time intelligence and precision, while AI enhances decision-making and anticipates threats. Cyber warfare protects critical infrastructure and counters digital attacks, ensuring robust defense. Together, these technologies form a triad of modern solutions addressing today's battlefield challenges. They enhance existing capabilities and open new strategic avenues. Our exploration highlights the need for constant innovation in weapon technology to maintain a competitive edge in global security. As we delve into specific case studies, we'll see the transformative impact of these advancements. Join us as we continue to uncover how these technologies define the future of defense, paving the way for a safer world. Stay tuned for a closer look at their real-world applications in our next segment. Let's dive into a recent case study where advanced weapon technology was pivotal in a successful defense strategy. Picture a scenario where traditional methods struggled against emerging threats. Here, new weapon technology stepped in, offering groundbreaking solutions. Through this case, we see the real-world impact of these innovations as they redefine defense capabilities. Imagine a battlefield where drones provide unmatched surveillance, AI anticipates enemy moves, and cyber tactics shield critical infrastructure. This isn't science fiction, it's happening now. These tools were instrumental in a recent operation that turned the tide for defense forces. By leveraging cutting-edge technology, they countered threats effectively and set a new standard for military operations worldwide. This case study shows that such technology's role is transformative, marking a significant shift in how defense strategies are conceived and executed. Stay tuned as we explore further into the transformative impact of weapon technology on global defense strategies. In summary, weapon technology's transformative impact on defense is undeniable. It reshapes strategies, ensuring military superiority. Staying ahead in this evolving landscape is crucial for global security. As we conclude, remember, innovation is key to future success. Join us next time for further insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the future of weapon technology. Comment below, and don't forget to watch our next video on upcoming defense innovations. Engage with us and stay informed about the advancements shaping tomorrow's defense strategies. Your insights could spark the next big idea.